In this video, we will be demonstrating Excel Interop automation, which allows you to automate tasks within Microsoft Excel. This includes actions such as opening workbooks, inputting data, and formatting cells, all of which will be performed on the screen. The purpose of this tutorial is to guide you in creating a new Excel file and copying data from one Excel file to another. First, you must create a new project. Here we put tutorial as the project's name. Click plus symbol next to project's name to create new file under the project. You can open or close the file under each project by clicking the project's name. Click symbol next to the file's name to open the workspace. You can start your automation process now. We will do the Excel Interop automation right now. Click Excel Interop and choose Create Excel Book. This automation is to create the new Excel file. Next, choose Excel Save and Close. This automation is to save and close the Excel's file. Next, choose Copy Data. This automation is to copy data from another Excel to another Excel. Drag the arrow to indicate the process of the automation. Now click at Excel Save and Close to fill in the condition. Paste the path where you want to save the file. If the path already exists, you can click Yes to overwrite it. Click Apply to save the information. The source Excel file name is the path of the original file from which you want to copy the data. The source sheet is the name of the sheet inside. Specify the cell range containing the data you want to copy. The target Excel file name is the path for the new file where you want to paste the copied data. Specify the target sheet and the starting cell where the data you want to paste. The process of the automation is done. Before we save and run the workspace, here is the file before the automation. This is the file that contains the data that we want to copy. The file's name is test2. This is the new file that we want to paste the data. The file's name is test3. Save and run the workspace. Click Start and tick the box Show Output to see if the output process is successful or not. Wait for the process to be complete. This is the new file that has been created. Here is the saving process. It will overwrite the file because the path that was filled in earlier already exists. Now the process is completed. As you can see, the data has been transferred to test3 file.